Are you still thinking about what you want to go as for Halloween? Well, this pop art makeup is a lot of fun, plus also it looks really cool and is sure to turn heads on Hallows Eve. So let's get started. We are going to start this makeup off with some concealer. I did have a bit of paint that was on my face from previous makeup, but it happens, and concealer will cover up any, of course, makeup that is from something else. So after you have the concealer on, you're going to go and create dots that are right above your eyebrow. These dots should go from your eyebrow all the way up to your hairline. You should make anywhere between 3 to 5 rows of this, just depending on how big you want to go and make this or how small you want to go and make the red dots. I'm using the back end of a small makeup brush, and this is probably your best bet for going and making these circles as round as you possibly can. At the bottom line, go and draw this out to the bottom hairline, and continue to go and make more dots all the way down past the eye, and then a little bit further down as well, decreasing the rows, 2 all the way to the chin, and then just a few on the other side of your eyebrow. Make sure to also put another couple on your cheek as well. Outline your lips in red, and after your lips are outlined, go and draw the lines on your chin, down from your mouth, down from your neck. Highlight your collarbones if you want to, highlight the side of your neck, and also definitely make sure to highlight the sides of your neck and your head as well. Put more dots to fill in some space on your neck. And now go and outline across where your hairline is with black cosmetic. Get this on both sides of your head, and this is going to really make your hairline pop, and it's going to make the makeup look really cool, honestly. Outline your lips with some black cosmetic as well, and also outline from the under portion of one eyebrow all the way down to your nose. This line should go all the way down to your lip, but stop at the top lip and continue at the bottom. Outline your eyebrows as well. Make sure to fill in the makeup, and then put any makeup that you want to over your eyes. Something that's winged should look good. Outline any extra features that you would like to on your face, like maybe your nose, some of your lip lines, maybe some lines on your lips. You can also add some white to help as well to make things pop. And also too, make sure to go and fill in where your hairline is with black cosmetic. From there, let all of your makeup dry, and after you're done, your makeup can look a little something like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy spooky season. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm posting 31 days of Halloween and special effects makeup, and I'll see you at the next video.